Arunachal Pradesh, literally the land of dawn-lit mountains, it is a state of northeastern India. It borders the state of Assam and Nagaland to the south. It shares international boundaries with Bhutan in the west, Myanmar in the east, and a disputed border with China in the north at an McMahon line. Itanagar is the state capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest of all 7 sister states of northeastern India by area. As of 2011 census of India, Arunachal Pradesh has a population of 13,82,611 and an area of 83,743 square kilometers. It is an ethnically diverse state with predominantly Monpa people in the west, Tani people in the central, Tahi people in the east, and Naga people in the south of the state. A major part of the state is claimed by both the People's Republic of China and the Republic of China Taiwan as part of the region of South Tibet. During the 1962 Sino-Indian Wars, most of the Arunachal Pradesh
is well known for its ancient culture. Known as the land of dawnlit mountains, Arunachal Pradesh finds mention in prominent scriptures of India, such as the Kalika Puran and Mahabharata. Sage Parshuram washed away his sins in Arunachal, which was then known as Prabhu Mountains. Sage Vyas meditated in the forest of this region, and Lord Krishna married Rukmani at this legendary site of India.
The culture of Arunachal Pradesh is truly distinctive as it comprises of 26 different tribes including various subtribes. Each tribe follows its own traditions and customs. There are mainly 3 cultural groups in Arunachal Pradesh. The first group of the people of Arunachal Pradesh is made of Monpas and Shetukpans of Tawang and West Kamek districts. They are the followers of Lemistic tradition of Mahayana Buddhism. The second group comprises of Adis, Akas, Bhangnis, Mijis, Mishmis, Nishis, and Thongsas, the worshippers of sun and moon god. The third tribe of Arunachal Pradesh comprises of Oats and Vanchos tribal communities of Tirap district. They follow basic Vaishnavism and maintain a strict village society which is ruled by hereditary chief. The people of Arunachal celebrate various occasions and for various reasons, be it religious, socio-cultural or agricultural. The tribal people are simple living people and derive happiness out of small things in life. Since agriculture is the main occupation, there are various festivals where people pray and thank God for a good harvest. Some of the prominent festivals celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh are Losar, Solong, Buri Boot, Mopin, Dri, Noyakum, Re, Sidoini, etc.
Art and craft of Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is gifted with traditional craftsman skills that have been passed on from generations to generations. Local men are skilled in weaving, carpet making, wood carving, painting, pottery, ornament making, cane and bamboo work, smithy work, basketry, and many others. The women are expert in making handicrafts and handlooms.
Arunachal Pradesh is situated in the farthermost northeastern border of India. The influence of tribal communities and nearby Himalayan civilization is quite evident in the local cuisine of this area. Rice and meat are the staple food of Arunachal. Lettuce is quite popular among locals and is cooked using green chilies, coriander and ginger. Boiled rice cakes, thukpa and momos are the traditional dishes devoured by people. The food is less on spices and is generally mild. Various forms of rice beers are prepared by local communities, one of them being appam, which is prepared by fermenting rice and millet. Due to the high amount of variedness among local communities, the food preparation methods differ slightly from district to district. Agriculture is the main occupation of Arunachal Pradesh people. Jhum cultivation is major occupation practiced by the farmers. Jhuming involves cleaning a portion of forest by cutting down and burning the trees and then sowing seeds on those areas with the help of poker. Many farmers have been relying on this form of agriculture for their livelihood for years now. Majority of the land in the state is covered with dense forests and lands. These forests provide products and industries are based on processing them, which gives employment and income to a large number of population. Most of the industries in the state are based on natural products from forests like timber and plywood. Other industries also include tea, petrochemical, and cement. Fruit cultivation is also practiced in some parts of Arunachal. It has become a significant sector for fruit cultivation and horticulture. This sector has been providing income to many farmers too. Starkly different from the commercial tourist destinations of another country, Arunachal Pradesh is just the right place for travelers looking for rejuvenation and peace in the lap of Himalayas. Apart from its breathtaking natural beauty, what makes this land truly magical is its vibrant and distinct culture. In a highly westernized world today, Arunachal Pradesh is a proud state in India, still preserving its ancient culture and traditions.